At ageRejuvenation, there's one therapy we keep coming back to for ourselves, for our team, and for our patients, and that's peptide therapy. Why? Because it's incredibly versatile. One treatment category, so many different benefits. We use peptide protocols to help with weight loss and fat burning, muscle growth and recovery, improved sleep and deeper rest, stronger immunity, mental clarity and brain support, anti-aging and cellular repair, hormonal balance and libido, even injury recovery and inflammation reduction. There's a peptide for almost every goal, and we love it because it lets us tailor treatment to you. Peptides are naturally occurring compounds, basically short chains of amino acids that act like messengers. They tell your body what to do, whether that's build lean muscle, produce more growth hormone, or accelerate healing. And because they're biologically natural, your body responds quickly and efficiently. We love using peptide therapy at ageRejuvenation because it fits into so many treatment plans, whether someone is here for weight loss, aging support, or just to feel like themselves again. It's not a gimmick, it's science-backed, personalized, and proven. Our patients often say, "I've never had this much energy, even in my 20s. My workouts are stronger and I recover faster. I'm sleeping through the night without medication. My skin looks better, my mood is better, I feel like me again." That's why we do what we do. So if you've been feeling stuck, like your body isn't keeping up with your goals or your energy just isn't where it used to be, peptide therapy might be the missing piece. Let's talk about what your body needs and build a plan that actually works for you. Book your free consultation at ageRejuvenation today, and let's get started.